Hello and welcome. Today, we'll delve into the process of creating shaders using the shader graph in Unity. To use the shader graph, you'll need to use the URP template. I've created a video guide that shows you how to convert from the built-in project to URP. Ensure that the shader graph package is installed. Let's start by create new unlit shader graph. Right-click on your project folder. Create shader graph, URP. Unlit shader graph. To make it easier to maintain, I create a new folder named shaders. Then, I drag the new shader into the folder. Double-click on the shader graph to open the graph editor, revealing a visually stunning interface. Press Shift-Space to open in full screen mode. On the bottom right corner, you'll find the final result preview. Right-click to switch between different type. There are two main parts of shader graph: vertex and fragment. You can change base color of fragment. Hold Alternate or Option to pan. Don't forget to save the shader frequently. To test the new shader, let's create 3D cube. Create a new material. Assign a new material shader to created shader. Drag new material to the cube. Cool, now we have created new shader and assign it to material. There's no way to change the color of a material using the material inspector. Let's come back to shader graph editor. Add a color property by click little plus icon on the left side panel. Change the default color value to red. Drag it to graph editor. And connect it to the base color node. Perfect. Now we have color property in the material inspector. You can choose any color you desire. Let's create a sphere and assign a distinct color to it. That's all for today's tutorial. Good luck. Thank you for watching the video. I'll see you in the next one.